So yeah, right and left upper radiator mount, and there's a lower mount too that we'll set aside with these once we get that four-door CRX hatchback. Should all be basically the same on the front clip. What we're going to do today is strip down the front clip, starting with the front bumper, and tear it all down into the engine bay. Check out kind of the tools we'll need. Pretty basic to take the whole thing apart. The power tools aren't really necessary, but I got a 10, 12, 14, 17 wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, needle nose, channel locks, and a pair of dikes, wire cutters, a couple different socket wrenches, some extensions, and again, same sizes on the socket, 10, 12, 14, 17. Could take apart the whole car with that. A couple other tools come in handy here and there, but if you're going in order, that's really all you need. I'm going to dummy up and switch to the rubber-handed handles ratchet while I'm working around the headlights, just to ding them up. These are original OEM Stanley glass headlights. The depot ones nowadays are plastic and don't last as long. Coming after the upper radiator mounts now. These will tend to fail and wobble in the little rubber bushings, so these are all OEM and in good shape. So yeah, right and left upper radiator mount, and there's a lower mount too that we'll set aside with these once we get that far.